get for you today?
Good morning. May I have a grande brewed medium coffee with just heavy cream, and that's it?
I found something new.
So if
Yes. And can you please make sure the lid is on tight? The last time it exploded in the car.
New is always bad.
No, he was nice.
be sure to do that. So
Okay.
what else did you want in the Pike Place?
There's a word home.
That's it. Just a brew coffee and the heavy cream in it. That's it.
Usually it's the reverse.
You said you wanted cream in it?
Yep, heavy cream.
There was a boy.
Not the half and half, the
Okay,
heavy
I'm
cream.
gonna call.
Correct. Yep.
And then what else besides the heavy cream?
That's it. Just plain brew coffee, medium roast. The medium roast.
Yep, so a medium Pike Place. And I'm sorry, did you want extra splash of heavy cream or just a splash of it?
I'm sorry. It's the brew, just regular Starbucks brewed hot coffee.
Yes, ma'am. Our Pike Place is our medium brewed hot coffee.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just heavy cream in it, like not a splash. Yeah, just you can add it to
Or your
it.
toast 260. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I got the goods. And it didn't spill all over me this time, but it's all nice and tight. But I get Starbucks medium brew with heavy cream because of course you guys know that I'm on keto, so I don't add all the syrups and the sugars and stuff like that because that's how I lose all this excess like weight or whatever. But so that's what I ordered from Starbucks, medium brew with heavy cream. It actually tastes really good, and I'm starting to feel like I like non-sugary drinks now, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, you guys, so the phone is supposed to arrive today. I got my hoodie from Target on. This one is the zip up. It still has like that Zara type of look when it has like an acid fade to it. It's really cute. And so I have a khaki purse that I got a while back. I think I got that in Maryland from a flea market. Or is it a market? What is it? It's like their market that they have. They have really good food. But yeah. So hopefully the phone comes in today, guys, and then we can film a little bit of that. And shout out to those that continue to get notified and like my content. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that Central PA, Harrisburg, they're supposed to be building up Jackson Lick and Hall Manor swimming pools. If you're familiar with the area, it is like an urban area, and they're supposed to be building that up, and they're asking everyone, in those neighborhoods or in the surrounding areas, is it okay? Do you want us to basically invest $5 million into these 2 swimming pools, which would be super amazing. Like if you're from Central PA, we always thought that Reservoir Park should have had the swimming pool right at the flat top, but instead they put the Civil War Museum. It was supposed to generate like a lot of tourism, and I think that it still will. But with those pools being upgraded like that, just keep in mind that that could be a possibility of gentrification, meaning that they're going to build up the area. And once they build up the area, just keep in mind that once property is built up, then the value of the property goes up. So rental prices may increase, market values may increase, land value could increase. So I would definitely say right now is the time to invest in Harrisburg. Invest your money so that you're not moved out, but you're a part of the growth instead of moved out during the development of the growth. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. If not, leave a comment and then I can clarify. But like I said in my get ready with me, you know, this is the real estate tea, and this is where I spill real estate. I am not an agent yet. I am an assistant to a real estate agent, but I have been to school and everything. I just have to pass my national and state exam, and then I will be an agent myself. So I'm able to spill a little bit of tea, you know, as a civilian, so to speak. But yeah, I would say right now is the time to purchase a land, a lot of property or something, because Harrisburg is about to blow up. Like, they're about to spend $5 million on Jackson Lake and Hall Manor. Like, that's what they want to do. They want to turn it into kind of like, you know, if you ever been across the river to the pools across the river where they have like all these different things to for the kids to participate in. Yeah, so I would say definitely invest in a property now in the central PA, Harrisburg area, because they already built like a new federal building. There's a couple new tall buildings that's coming, and hopefully they bring the Charlie back, you know, or the light rail, bring a light rail to Harrisburg. That would be really nice. But jump into the bandwagon and make some money. But that's some real estate tea for you guys. But so I'm going to vlog when I get out this car. Okay, guys. Okay, so far I have the strips in right now, and they don't move, you know what I mean? So I'm switching over. Instead of coffee, I'm drink matcha green tea most of the day, but today I did get Starbucks because I just needed the extra energy. And they make really good brewed coffee. If you just get straight brewed coffee, their coffee is actually pretty good. But so this is where I started. And I kind of like in there. Now this tube, I have a cap on it, so I have to clean that a different way, like with baking soda and prop. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys about, I have the strips in right now, so apologize for my voice. But the Dollar Store brand, it gives you 5 strips. They come in like on this little thing, and they come with instructions, what to do, what not to do. You usually put the strips on before you brush your teeth. But compared to the Crest White strips, I kind of like the Dollar Store brand because they adhere to your teeth and they don't come off, but you have to leave them on for an hour. Unlike the Crest White strips, you only leave them on for like 10 or 20 minutes. But and this also comes with a guide. So when I started off, I was at 6'2", and I'm headed to actually B2. So it comes with a little comparison guide on your teeth. So it's the first step. Peel the strip from the back liner, place the adhesive side product to the front of the teeth, applying the lower strip first, and wear for only 1 hour to enjoy a water smell. 10 strips, 5 treatments. So each strip has 2 pieces and it's for 5 days. So I would definitely buy another one. They were only 10 bucks, I think, which is pretty good because Crest White strips are 20 bucks. And we'll see. This is my first time using this because I always use the Crest White strips, but they will always like not adhere properly. And my son actually wanted this first, and I was like, you sure you want that? He said yeah. So I bought that for him, and then I was like, you know what, let me try it out. So far, let's give you a look at it. Okay, so this is a better look. But I have the white strips in, and before I started, and this is kind of where it's at. Now here I have a cap on my tooth, So if you stain a dental cap, you have to use peroxide and baking soda to correct it. So that's what that is. But the white strips are working pretty well. And you have to switch over your routine of brushing your teeth and watch what you eat, you know? But I think I'm gonna buy that one more time. But it's pretty white, it's pretty. Yeah, I've done a pretty good job. What I mean by changing your dental brushing routine is that for me, I always use baking soda peroxide to wash my teeth. Then I use toothpaste, which like either a Crest or a Colgate whitener, and then I brush with that, and that kind of polishes it. But the baking soda kind of gives it a nice scrub, a natural scrub, because your teeth are a healing, living organism. So they can heal and regenerate themselves. So if you think, except if it's a cavity, it has to be filled. But like if you have any type of dental issues, just use peroxide and baking soda because it can correct it and your body will regenerate the calcium. Make sure you take your vitamins and everything like that. It will regenerate the calcium and build the teeth back up. But since I drink coffee, once every year I have to do whiteners. But I'm trying to get away from coffee and get back to my tea, my matcha tea, you know. It's just about energy, what gives me the most energy at that time. But I'm just switching up my whole diet. Like you guys know, if you new to this channel, I am on keto, and I go in between keto and low carb. So I'm just switching up my whole routine of my diet. And if you're not familiar with keto, it just cuts out the carbs and sugar out of your diet. And in 1 month, I lost like 20 pounds. The downside of keto is if you don't take vitamins, you know what I mean? It's just like postpartum. Once you lose all that weight from pregnancy, you lose your hair too, like your hair thins out. So, you know, you just want to make sure to take vitamins as you're doing the keto diet because it attacks the fat cells that's in the body so that you can lose the weight faster. But it is natural, it is safe, and it's used to treat epilepsy. And I'm doing laundry, so I'm drying clothes. But yeah, it's used to treat epilepsy because it removes the fat cells from the brain, and usually mucus and fat cells is what causes like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, epilepsies. You know, they should have that in doctor's office. Now, I'm not a medical physician, so you want to talk to your doctor about it. But I think they should have that as one of a diet regimen's suggestions in doctor's office. I don't know why they don't. But definitely look into it. But yeah, guys, this tooth whitener, like, it's almost as white as my shirt. It's pretty awesome. And I'm on the lookout for a long length mirror. I want a nice one. But let me show you guys what I have on. So this is my outfit. This is why I need a full length mirror. But this is my outfit. I have a Gildan white t-shirt on, dance skin, sweatpants, and of course my Under Armour shoes, and my boho bangle bracelets. And these 2 gold bracelets I purchased off of Etsy. They're solid gold, but the bangle bracelets are copper. Also with my neck, I have copper and gold both on there. The long one is from Amazon. You can check out my Amazon storefront. And this is copper, and it's copper filled but gold plated, and the rest are gold. This is my Delta Mo Delta charm. I wonder if I can get that plated because it's fading. But yeah, guys, so that's the look for today. Hopefully the phone will be here today. So this is a quick snack. It's avocado, roasted pepper chicken, rotisserie pepper chicken, mushroom seasonings, and mozzarella. Keto snack. I have the phone here today so I can show you guys and unbox it. But I'm just going to take you on a day of life with me today. And oh, also I may be going to a convention. It's like a 3-day triple real estate convention with my mother, realtor Don L. Holloman, on just prepping real estate agents on the market, what's new, you know, what's new, what's trending, and to bring you guys the best of us, the best fiduciary duties of us. So sometimes we meet once a year to go over that. But yeah, that's it for now. See you guys in the next clip.